So we've just said goodbye to the Minister for Health and Social Services, who's been with us this afternoon. He's announced that the Welsh Government are content that we open the Grange University Hospital earlier than planned, so in November, to help us with our winter response, but also acknowledging clearly we're still in the COVID pandemic and we could have a second wave of activity. We're delighted to be at this stage. The Health Board staff have worked amazingly hard to get us to this point. We wouldn't have been able to get here without them. There's still a bit more to do, but we're confident that we'll be in a position to open in November, and we're so grateful for not only the support of staff but also the support of members of the public, their words of encouragement and the support that we've had over the last 6 months. So thank you all very much indeed, and we're looking forward to getting this hospital open in November. Thank you.